How to connect Spectrum Internet without coax cable. First of all, you should know that Spectrum Internet normally requires a coax cable connection for the modem to work. Without a coax outlet, your modem cannot receive the internet signal. However, there are a few ways to get connected if you do not have a coax outlet in your home. One option is to contact Spectrum and request a technician to install a coax outlet for you. If there is already a cable line entering your home, the technician can easily set up the outlet where you need it. After that, you can connect your modem and router normally. If you are renting your home, make sure to get your landlord's permission before the installation. Another option is to switch to a different internet provider that does not rely on coax cables. You can look for services that use fiber or DSL connections instead. These types of connections provide internet through a different type of wiring. Finally, you can consider using a cellular router. This device connects to the internet using a mobile network and creates a Wi-Fi signal for your home. It does not use Spectrum service, but can be a good temporary or backup option. So this is how to connect Spectrum Internet without coax cable. Like and subscribe if this helped.